Welcome student to Standard 5th Mathematics Digital Class, Part 3. We will continue lesson number 3, Addition and Subtraction. Last videos you have studied about addition examples. Now in this video we are going to learn subtraction examples of 6-digit and 7-digit numbers. So let us learn subtraction examples. First we will solve subtraction of 5-digit numbers. Problem set 10. Line up the numbers properly according to place values. We will start subtraction from unit place. Observe unit place digits. Can we subtract 7 from 3? No, because 7 is bigger than 3. So we have to borrow 1 from 9, means tens place. So cut 1 from 9 and write down 8. Put 1, cut 3, here write down 3. So we get 13. Now subtract 7 from 13, we get 6. Come to tens place. 8 minus 4, we get 4. Now 100 place. Can we subtract 5 from 2? No. So borrow 1 from 4, means 1000 place. Cut 1 from 4, write down 3. Put 1, so we get 12. Now subtract 5 from 12. 12 minus 5, here we get 7. Now subtract 8 from 3. Can we subtract? No. So borrow 1 from 6. Cut 1 from 6, write down 5, then put 1. Here we get 13. 13 minus 8, we get 5. 5 minus 2, we get 3. So what is the difference between two numbers? That is 35,746. Now, by using same method, we will solve second example. Start from unit place. Can we subtract 9 from 8? No. So borrow 1 from 5. Cut 1, write down 4. Cut 8, write down here 8. And now borrow 1 from 5. Here we have taken 1. 18 minus 9, we get 9. Can we subtract 6 from 4? No. So we have to borrow 1 from 0. Can we take 1 from 0? No. So go to 1000 place. We can take 1 from 7. Cut 1, here write down 6. Cut this 0, write down here, and then put 1 which we have borrowed from 7. We get 10. 10 minus, put 1, we get 14. 14 minus 6, we get 8. Then 10 minus 4, we get 6. Then 6 minus 3, we get 3. 3 minus 2, we get 1. So the answer is 13,689. Now student, you have learned how to carry out subtraction of 5-digit numbers. Using the same method, we can do subtraction of 6-digit and 7-digit numbers. So now we will solve subtraction of 6-digit and 7-digit numbers. Problem set 11. First example, 8,57,513 minus 4,82,256. Count the digits. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So we have to make 6 columns, and here we have to draw rows 1, 2, 3 and 4. This row for borrowing numbers. Now write down first number according to places. Start from unit. 3, 1, 5, 7, 5 and 8. Then afterward put minus sign. Second number write down from unit place. 6, 5, 2, 2, 8 and 4. And now start subtraction from unit place. Can we subtract 6 from 3? No. So borrow 1 from tens place, means from 1. So cut 1, write down here 0. Put 1, cut this 3, write down here. So we get 13. 13 minus 6, 7. Can we subtract 5 from 0? No. So we have to borrow 1 from 5. Cut 1, write down 4, put 1, we get 10. 10 minus 5, here we get 5. 4 minus 2, we get 2. 7 minus 2, we get 5. Can we subtract 8 from 5? No, because 8 is bigger than 5. So borrow 1 from 8, means from lakhs place. Cut 1, write down 7. Cut 5, write down here 5 and put 1 which we have borrowed from 8. 15 minus 8, we get 7. 7 minus 4, we get 3. So what is our answer? Write down below. Here first you write down the number and then put comma. You have to put comma after thousand place and after lakh place. So what is your answer? 3,75,257. Now we will solve second question. Observe the figures. Here are 7 digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in second number also there are 7 digits. So we have to make 7 columns according to digits. So the number is 13,17,519 minus 10,07,423. Arrange these numbers according to place values from right to left. Put minus sign and then start subtraction from unit place. 9 minus 3, 6. 1 minus 2, can we subtract 2 from 1? No. So cut 1, write down here 1. Cut 5, we have to borrow 1 from 5, means from 100 place. So here write down 4 and then put 1. You get 11. Now 11 minus 2, 9. 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 3 minus 0, 3. 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So the answer is, write down all the figures here and then afterward put comma. Where we have to put comma? After thousand and after lakh. So the answer is 3,10,096. Now we will solve third sum. 68,34,501 minus 23,57,823. Write down all the numbers according to place value. We will start from unit place. Can we subtract 3 from 1? No. So cut 1 and then write down 1 here. Can we borrow 1 from 0? No. So go to 100 place. First cut this 0, write down here. Cut 1 from 5, write down 4, then put 1. Now we get 10. So from this 10 we can borrow 1 in unit place. So cut 1 from 10, write down here 9 and then put 1. So we get 11. 11 minus 3, 8. 9 minus 2, 7. Can we subtract 8 from 4? No. So go to thousand place and borrow 1 from 4. Cut 1, write down 3, put 1, we get 14. 14 minus 8, 6. Now go to thousand place. 3 minus 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 3. So borrow 1 from 3 means 10,000 column. Write down 2, put 1, we get 13. 13 minus 7, 6. 2 minus 5, we cannot subtract. So borrow 1 from 8. Write down 7, put 1, we get 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 7 minus 3, 4. 6 minus 2, 4. So write down answer. Now put comma after thousand, after lakh. So the number is 44 lakh 76,678. So student, understood this subtraction example? Now you have to solve remaining 3 examples in your notebook. Next video we will learn about word examples depend on subtraction. Thank you.